that comes off. Hey yo, what's up mommies? For the first time in entire history, I spell mommies on the right way, but for some reason I like mummies, even if it doesn't make sense, but mommy sounds like a mommies, I don't know. Let me know in the comments what's better. So we have our own way, or should we say that properly? So, as I can see, and as we can see, you obviously love unboxing videos more, so we got more stuff right here to unbox today, right for you, a huge box. What could that be? Huh? We're gonna see soon. So, the giveaway is still going for 500 mummies in the tweets and 50 on the YouTube, but we got it. We got our first small parcel. Let's try and open it. Oh my god, I started without my knife. That's a very bad start. So that means we're gonna rip the packet. Oh. So for every single item we have today, we're gonna have the links in the description. That's a very small box, right? What could that be? So this is wireless headphone. So we open the box. With these wireless headphones, first of all, we get rid of the cable, which is very important because there were many times I dropped my phone, or you know what I mean, like it's just a struggle having a cable going around. So before we open this box and see what's going on in there and how that works, so we have 18 hours of playtime after it's charged. It's working with Bluetooth. It comes like around 40 pounds. Thankfully, thanks to the Prime Day, I got it with very nice discount. There's deep bass and nice quality. It can last to 15-20 meters, so you can use it for pranks or anything else. So yeah, let's open that. Ta-da! So here we have, it's just a small box. I'm pretty sure back here, yeah, you have the rest after you get it off. So you have a very nice small case if you're traveling or anything else to get it there, so you will not get scratched. You have some replacements for the earbuds, I think it's called like that. It comes with the charging cable. You open that. It's just sort of, it comes with a certificate for your ears. No, I'm joking. Also, it comes with a guarantee card with 3 months replacement, full refund, 12 months worry-free warranty, and if you need anything else, they give you like an email and stuff, so you can contact them. Bro, you know that the box reminds me when they for a proposal to a woman. Will you marry me? Oh yes, I do. Alright, so that's charged for some reason. Looks like it. Okay, so we need to take that off. How do? Oh, I cannot use my phone though. That looks weird, isn't it? I like how I'm trying to do a video and my computer decides that it needs to do Java update. Also, for business inquiries, you can find my email down below. I would be really interested to do some unboxing videos. And for the last and the best, we got the biggest box for today. Oh, holy shit, what's that? Oh my. Holy shit. There's not enough space for the whole setup to hold it. Alright. So we got some speakers for the setup, so it will be better for me when I'm listening to music and when I am And when I'm editing on my streaming computer or editing computer as we wanna call it, I would use the speakers from my laptop, but there's no good quality. Also, that comes with a remote controller, so that comes off. And next we got these ones. We got them on vintage color because if you'll see the room around and that stuff, the curtain over there, they're like onto brown leather. So I guess everything is black on the setup here. We got some different color. So I guess it's gonna look very nice because we got some furnitures with that they're like wooden color and stuff. So I think that will gonna look really good. I read in the reviews that they got really good quality. They're not that big. Ooh la la, look at that. Ooh. So here we have to adjust the volume, the treble and the bass. Here on the back we got the RC inputs, on off power, and we have on the other one another two inputs to connect these two together. We've got here quite a few cables and of course instructions. So we've got a remote control here. We've got our passive speaker and active speaker. That's the speaker connecting cables, so we will leave it on the side. Oh my god, so we have already cable for the computer, RCA2 computer, so we're gonna send the other one back probably. And we have two RCA, dual RCA to RCA as well, which we're not gonna use today. So that's this small thing. Increase the volume, mute them, or reduce the volume. Alright, so I didn't want to waste your time because I was trying to figure out where to connect what. So basically I'm gonna show you quickly. So back here we had to connect those two, the silver and the golden one, these two here, and the other side on the other speaker. So you connect the speakers together, and then you have here a small amplifier, which, as we said before, you can reduce the bass or increase the bass, treble, and the volume generally. The the quality is amazing, and I got one of the speakers right here and the other one on the other side. I can probably bring it closer. I don't know, we're gonna see. Maybe I'll bring it closer. I'm gonna figure out. And back here, in back of the speaker, right here, got the other two to connect the speaker. Power, that's a power cable. We connect it to the pros, and then we got those two RCA to our laptop. That was quite useful, helped me a lot. We have the remote control. I don't know how I'm gonna use it. Maybe when you're taking a shower and you wanna increase the volume or something, maybe it's gonna be useful there. So that was it. I hope that was a nice video for you to watch. I hope I don't know if I said them right or properly. Hopefully you liked it. So for business inquiries, if you wanna do an unboxing video with me or something like that, down there will be an email. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, press the smash, press the smash, yeah. Smash the like button and the subscribe button only once. Don't press it twice. It's gonna be. Actually, the like button doesn't matter if you press it twice, but the subscribe. Comment down below if you would like to watch more unboxing videos or what any ideas you would love to watch. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.